March 2026, Bangalore witnessed a vibrant celebration of culture, community, and connection as the second edition of Dawat-e-Iftar brought together influencers, media professionals, entrepreneurs, and social leaders for a memorable Ramadan evening. Hosted by Nauman Mullah and powered by Stan, the gathering unfolded in the heart of Bangalore, creating a meaningful platform where creativity, collaboration, and cultural tradition came together under one roof during the holy month of Ramadan. The evening began with an elegant red carpet reception welcoming guests from diverse fields including media, digital creators, entrepreneurs, and social change makers. Cameras flashed as attendees interacted with the press, shared their experiences, and posed for photographs, setting the tone for an evening built on connection and celebration. As the sun slowly set, the atmosphere shifted toward the most awaited moment of the evening, the traditional iftar ceremony, a moment that symbolized gratitude, reflection, and unity. Guests gathered together to break their fast, sharing dates, refreshments, and heartfelt conversations. More than just a gathering, Dawat-e-Iftar served as a bridge between communities and industries, creating a space where ideas and inspiration could flow freely in a culturally rich setting. Guests engaged in meaningful networking discussions, exchanging thoughts, exploring collaborations, and strengthening professional relationships. Speaking about the vision behind the initiative, host Nauman Mullah shared that Ramadan is a time that reminds people of compassion, reflection, and togetherness. Through Dawat-e-Iftar, the aim is to create an environment where people from different walks of life, including media creators, entrepreneurs, and social leaders, can come together, celebrate culture, and build lasting community bond. The event also highlighted the growing role of creators and community leaders in shaping conversations and collaborations in a rapidly evolving digital and social landscape. By bringing together influential voices from different sectors, the evening reflected the spirit of unity and shared purpose that defines the holy month. With participation from prominent personalities across media, business, and the social sector, Dawat-e-Iftar's second edition further strengthened its place as one of Bangalore's notable Ramadan gatherings, celebrating faith, culture, and collaboration. As the evening concluded, the gathering left behind a powerful message that moments of togetherness, conversations, and shared traditions continue to build stronger communities and meaningful connections.
पहिला ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣವ್ರು ನೋಮಾನ್ ಬಾಯಿ ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದಂಧೆ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇಫ್ತಾರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರು ಖಾಲಿ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಸಲಕ್ಕೆ ಇಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂದೂ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಒಂದ್ ಗಂಗಾ ಜಮುನಾ ತೈದೀಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ಹುಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೆ ಒಂದ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತಾರ, ಒಂದ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತಾರ ಮಂದಿಗೆ. ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದಂಧೆ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಾಗ ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತದ. ಅವು ತಲೆಯಾಗೇನು ಹೆಂಡಿ ಸೇರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಅವು ಏನು ಹೇಟ್ ಫೈಲಾಸ್ಲತ್ತವ, ಅವಕ್ ಇವ ಚಪ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದಪ್ಲೆ ಒಂದ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತಾನ. ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತು. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರ ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮೂರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾ ಹಿಂದಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ದಾಗ ಇದ್ದಿದ. ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಹೈಫೈ ಜೇಲ್ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಇಲ್ದು ರಿಯಾಬ್ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಒಳಗ್ ಹೋದ್ರ ನಿಮಗ್ ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಊಟ ದುಡಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರ. ನನ್ ಟೈಮಿಗ್ರ ನಾನ್ ನಂದ್ 2 ಅಂಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ನನ್ ತೆಲ್ಗುಂಬಿ ಕೆಳಗ್ ಇಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ. ಮರ್ದಿನ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿಂದಿದ. ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳಗ್ ನಮ್ ಜರ ಜಿಮ್ಗೂ ನಕ್ಕೋ ಜಾವ್, ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ಗೂ ಜಾವ್. पूरा 105 डेज अंदर था मैं. पूरा 8 दाल का भाव मालूम पड़ गया अंदर मेरे को. ಒಳಗೇನೋ ಅನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಳಿ ಏನ್ ಬಿ ಇರ್ತದ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಲಕ್ಸರಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ ಬರ್ತನ್ ಬಿ ಏನ್ ತೊಳೆದಿರ್ತದ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಳು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಹತ್ತೈತಿ, ತಿಕ್ಕಾಗ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಹತ್ತೈತಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ.
Stan, it's been a crazy roller coaster since we started our journey. So first, I always remember first 100 users of ours where we manually invited users from colleges and cafes. Now I feel we have just started. It feels like we have built an empire, but no, we have just started. We are just here. Even though we have 30 million users and 2000 plus influencers on the platform, but I feel we have just started. There is a lot more to cover. Like now we are entering in different markets like Bangladesh, Middle East, Europe, Latin America. US, and then Australia as well. We are planning to enter. And about this evening, it's been a lovely gathering. Thank you so much, everyone who has joined, all the leaders, all the spokespersons, all the community leaders, all the regional language leaders who have joined, and all my lovely influencers. I'm in depth with them from across communities and across religion. Everyone has participated in the gathering. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. And I wish everyone, all Karnataka people, all Indians, happy Ramadan.